Hi, want to experience your document request the way your client will? Let's send a test to yourself. First, head over to your document request page, the same place you'd go to create a real request for a client. For this demo, I'll select a template to work with. Once you're in the editor, you'll see a preview button in the top right corner. It looks like an eye icon. This gives you a quick look at how your request appears. But to truly experience it as your client would, you'll want to send it to yourself. Go ahead and close this preview window to return to the editor. Click the Send button in the top right next to the preview button. Select who to send the request as. Then find the option to add a new client. Enter your name and your email address. Click Save. Select yourself from the list to add yourself as the client. Next, set the deadline for the request. For the reminder schedule, choose an option that sends an email immediately. This way, you'll receive it right away. And send the request. Give it a moment, then check your inbox. You should see an email requesting information with a link inside. This is exactly what your client receives. Click the link and you will be taken directly to your private portal. Notice there's no login required. This is how your client will see their portal. Take some time to explore. Check whether your instructions are clear and easy to follow. Answer a few questions if you'd like. Use the outline on the left to navigate between different sections of the request. This hands-on testing is the best way to catch any issues before your clients see them. And that's it. Hopefully, this helps you feel confident about what you're sending to clients. Remember, we're here to help and always happy to answer your questions.